guys, welcome to Toach Yoga. My name is Jen and today we'll be looking at some stretches for our back, and we also might look into some shoulder stands as well, because I don't tend to do that in a yoga class, but I've been asked about it recently. So when you're ready, we're just going to start in child's pose, a nice easy way to start our practice. Toes come to the outside, knees come together, press hips back over the heels, release forehead and forearms down to your mat. Now if you're not feeling much here, you could take the knees a bit wider, having a bit more of a stretch, and just relax the back, relax the shoulders and the elbows, and take a few deep breaths here. Really try and soften your body on the exhalation. And as we inhale, gently make your way up. Come to our cat-cow stretch, knees directly underneath the hips, hands under shoulders. Take a deep breath in to arch the spine, lift the head, roll the shoulders back. And on your exhalation, tuck the chin, bring the belly in, and drop the head. Good. So do this a few times here in our cat-cow stretch. Deep breath in to lift, and exhale to release. So you can really do this for as long as you need to, really. And then when you're ready, let's take a seat on our mat. I'm going to tuck my left leg in, extend the right leg. As we inhale, reach arms up, take the shoulder back to open the chest, and slowly exhale into your side stretch. You can either rest the hand here or maybe take it out a bit further. So it's a bit of a mix between lifting the shoulder, opening the chest, and into side stretch. Good, so breathe here, try and soften. A mixture of surrender and control. And as we exhale, take the hand down. You can either press the palm into the floor, lift the body, or spiral twist, squeeze the glutes, bring the hips through. Inhale, take the arm around you here to open the chest. So if I show you from a side profile, hands underneath the shoulder, squeeze, and lift up. Find the energy in the spine. And spiral down to floor. Lovely. From here, extend the other leg. Maybe move sitting bones behind, tuck the pelvis. Inhale to lengthen, fingers come up. And exhale to fold forward. Tuck chin, soften the elbows, deep breath in. And exhale to release down to floor. Maybe as time goes by and your hips and your lower back get used to the stretch, you can take a deeper exhalation. If it feels right, walk the fingers further away, increasing your forward fold. Keep feet flexed here. If it's uncomfortable, you could apply bend to the knees as an option. And as we inhale, walk the hands towards you. Lengthen, this time other foot tucks in. We come to our side stretch on this side, so lengthen, reach, open the shoulder, exhale to fold. Good, so again we're lifting that shoulder, opening the chest, and still stretching the side of the body here. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Try and relax the jaw. And we take the hand behind us. Press into palm, either lengthen here or squeeze the glutes, lift and open to this position. If I show you on that side again, so that leg's lifted, squeeze, lift and open. It's such an energetic pose, this one. Really opening that side body. Make it as expansive as you want to. And spiral back down to floor. Lovely. This time, soles of the feet come together. Again, palms press. Roll shoulders back, squeeze and lift. If you want, sitting bones can stay on the floor. If I show you from side profile, maybe you're going to lift those hips up. Keep shoulders pressed back. Oh, this is a lovely pose as well. And gently release. When you're ready, extend the legs. Move sitting bones behind you again so the pelvis tilts. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale to fold forward. Relax head and shoulders. Again, we have that option for bent knees. You don't have to touch the toes here, you can rest the hands here. Do what feels right for you. This is a really lovely upper back stretch, this one. Very similar to standing forward fold, it's just in a seated position. And as we inhale, slowly lengthen up. Lovely. Come onto your back. We're going to take the back ankle over the knee, flex the foot, press the knee to the outside. This is a hip stretch. It will help with any lower back discomfort. We can keep foot on floor. If you're not feeling much of a stretch, maybe bring the knee in. Hands can be on the hamstrings or on the shin. Relax shoulders and breathe. Gently release foot, swap sides, flex foot, press that knee out to open hip, foot can stay on floor, or maybe the knee comes in. Good, so once you've done that one, release feet directly underneath the hips, tuck the tailbone, squeeze the glutes, and lift the hips up to your bridge pose. So we have a few options for our bridge pose. You can either stay here. Sometimes it's nice to walk the shoulders underneath, lace the fingers, try and squeeze your glutes to lift the hips a bit more. Or sometimes what I like to do, and I don't tend to really teach it in class, if you're feeling like this isn't enough for you, you stretch a bit more, I like coming on my tiptoes, shuffle my elbows underneath, and hands rest below, on the lower back or the sort of parts of the hip. Oh, this feels really, really good for me, just so my hips can rest in this position. Keep breathing. And whenever you're ready, gently release hips back down to floor. Lovely. So next we're going to maybe bring knees into chest, have a little bit of a rock out on your spine. I'm going to look at our shoulder stand. So if you haven't done a shoulder stand, maybe just watch me first, and you can, if you feel a bit not confident enough to do it, maybe have lots of pillows around you. And it's different for everyone. Some people really like them, some people don't like them. So maybe give it a go if you feel confident to do so. I'm going to brace my tummy muscles and lift my legs, bring the hands to support my lower back. Good, so squeeze the glutes, press toes to the ceiling, deep breathing. And this is your shoulder stand. Now if you want to come to the next option, our plow position, slowly begin to bring toes behind the head. I like to lengthen my hands out for support here. Maybe we stop here, maybe the toes come down. Breathing here. And whenever you're ready, gently lift back up, squeeze those glutes again. Good. If you want, you can come down to plow a few times here. So really brace your abdominals and come to plow. And just see how you feel. Just be mindful of how long you want to stay there. Just lots of control. Good. You can practice that one a few times. To come down, I like to bend my knees or roll spine down. And then after that one, sometimes it's nice to come back to that previous stretch, lengthen, and exhale into fold forwards. Breathing here, softening. And gently come up. Maybe if you want to, come to hips, come to inner thigh stretch, roll back and lift. Feels quite nice to finish. After a while doing these poses, you'll have your favourites ones, your go-to poses. So I hope that was helpful for you today. Do let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.